Hi, my name is Rumi Zen and I'm from Busy Bee Web Design. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can install WordPress on your cPanel dashboard. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first step you want to do is go to sign into your hosting provider. My hosting provider is HostGator. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in right now. And then I'm going to just be right back once I've signed in. And now once you're here, go ahead and find your cPanel and it'll say launch cPanel and then you'll be brought to this page. Now, once you've been brought to this page, go ahead and find your WordPress. Where it says WordPress right here. Click on this, click on install, and then find your domain. Now, if you don't actually see your domain here, what you're going to want to do is go back to your HostGator or whatever hosting provider you're using. Go back to your cPanel and then go to domains. And now go ahead and type in the domain you bought. If you have not already bought your domain and you want to learn how to buy your own domain, you can make a website for yourself. Go to watch the video in the top right corner and there'll be a video right there that shows up. Or you can find it in the link in the description. So the first thing you want to do is just type in the domain you bought, and then once you've done that, then you can be good to go. But I've already added this to my account. But once you've actually added this, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this unchecked button, and then whatever your domain is, it will show here. And this is the folder that will be created for your website. And then click on submit. And then it will be showing right here where all your domains are. So this is all the domains I have, so it'll show your domain here. This is mine, and that's how you do it. But once you've actually done that, then when you go back to here and you've done that, it will actually show up. Go to WordPress and click on install, and then your domain will show up right here. So then you click on that and just go ahead and put in all the information you want. You want username to be like whatever username you want, just put that. And then your password. Now I'm gonna do admin1234 for this video to show you, and I'm gonna just keep this email the same, and then I'm gonna keep everything else the same, all the same information. And then if you actually want to send this information to your email, it will actually be sent to your junk mail, but you'll find it there. And now click on install, and before you click on install, make sure all the information you have here is correct. Now it looks like everything's all good, so then I can go ahead and click on install. And now it will take a minute or so and it'll be installed, or less than that. And I'll be back when this is done. All right, guys, now it's done and it took about 20 seconds or so. And now it's successfully installed. So once you've actually installed WordPress on your website, you can then go to your website and it will just be the default WordPress theme. Now you can go ahead and you can actually sign into it and you'll be able to now. So go to your website /wp-admin and you'll be able to sign in. So I'm just gonna do admin and then the password I put, which is admin1234, and now I'll click on login, and then you'll be able to, it'll just show this. Just click on remind me later. You can change the password if you want to later on. You can actually click change password, but I want to keep it as it is, but later on you can change. So now I've been brought to the dashboard for WordPress, and now WordPress is successfully installed on your website. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, and if you don't want to miss more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you also need help with your website, go to busybeewebdesign.com and we'll be there to take this thing into building your website. And guys, let me know what video you want to see next in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.